Recording the sewer here at 19108 93rd Place Northeast. Date is October 8th, 2020. Recording this from the clean out down here in the basement of the bathroom. About 78 feet out, it looks like. Down the line right now, hitting against a root there that I'm unable to get the camera past. So there's a decent sized root growing through the pipe that I'm unable to jam the camera past because it's taking up too much of a line there. So we're going to come back from this point. I'm actually going to run outside and locate this spot real quick, and then we'll come back and finish recording. Alright, we're going to continue the recording coming back from that point. It would look like we're in 6-inch diameter concrete. At this point, though, it's a little bit difficult to tell. Another large root. Okay, located that. Looks like a chunk of concrete pipe down in there, or the pipe's broken there. Either way.